The Trevi Fountain, one of Rome's most iconic landmarks, stands as a masterpiece of Baroque artistry and a symbol of eternal beauty. This magnificent fountain is not merely a water feature, it's a mesmerizing work of art that has captivated visitors for centuries. Nestled in the heart of the historic center of Rome, the Trevi Fountain is a must-see destination for tourists from around the world. Steeped in history, the Trevi Fountain was designed by Italian architect Nicola Salvi in the 18th century and completed by Pietro Bracci. It is a stunning amalgamation of mythological figures and intricate sculptures that tell a compelling story. The central figure of the fountain is Neptune, god of the sea, riding a chariot pulled by two sea horses, symbolizing the ever-changing nature of the ocean. Flanking him are two Tritons, one struggling to master a wild sea horse, while the other one guides a docile steed, depicting the dual nature of the sea. One of the most enchanting traditions associated with the Trevi Fountain is the act of tossing a coin over your left shoulder into the water. Legend has it that if you throw one coin, you will return to Rome, 2 coins will ensure a return and a new romance, while 3 coins guarantee a return, new love, and marriage. This belief draws countless visitors each year, creating a dazzling spectacle as they make their wishes, adding to the shimmering treasure that lies beneath the fountain's surface. Beyond the coin-throwing ritual, the Trevi Fountain offers a myriad of other experiences. You can stroll through the piazza and admire the fountain's grandeur from various angles, allowing its intricate details to captivate you. The fountain is especially enchanting in the evening when it is illuminated, casting a magical glow over the square. The soothing sound of flowing water further enhances the romantic ambience, making it a popular spot for couples. To fully appreciate the Trevi Fountain, consider visiting during the quieter hours of the early morning or late evening when the crowds thin out. This will allow you to savor the beauty and majesty of the fountain in a more intimate setting. While the Trevi Fountain itself is a masterpiece, its surroundings are equally enchanting. The narrow cobblestone streets leading to the fountain are lined with charming cafes, gelato shops, and boutiques, making it an ideal place for a leisurely stroll and indulging in delicious Italian treats. Additionally, the fountain is conveniently located within walking distance of other Rome landmarks, such as the Spanish Steps and the Pantheon, making it a perfect addition to your sightseeing itinerary. In conclusion, the Trevi Fountain is a true marvel that beckons travelers to Rome with its rich history, stunning artwork, and the promise of wishes fulfilled. Whether you come to make a wish, to soak in its beauty, or to revel in the romantic atmosphere, a visit to the Trevi Fountain is an essential part of any Rome experience. It embodies the essence of this eternal city, where history, art, and legend come together in a symphony of splendor.